आप अपना भविष्य नहीं बदल सकते, लेकिन आप अपनी आदतों को बदल सकते हैं। और जिस दिन आपने अपनी आदतों को बदल लिया, यकीन मानिए आपका भविष्य अपने आप बदल जाएगा। सो हेलो गाइस, गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू। आई एम भूमिका गंगवाने एंड टुडे here I am going to share you about miracle morning and 6 steps by which you can make your morning beautiful. We don't make our future, we make our habits, then our habits make our future. Yes guys, so here I am going to share you some tips by which you can change your habits. Guys, we all know that we all want to get success in our life. We all want to do different than others in our life. So how can we do this? We can do this whenever our morning will be the bright, whenever our morning will be the beautiful. So here I am going to share you some tips by which you can make your morning beautiful, you can make your morning useful. And if our morning will be beautiful, if our morning will be the good one, so that then we can make our whole day beautiful. So here I am going to share you 6 tips which you can follow in the morning, and then you can make your habits good. Yes guys, so the habits are savers. What does it mean of savers? Here S stands for silence, A stands for affirmations, V stands for visualization, E stands for exercise, R stands for reading, and S stands for scribing, means writing. Yes guys, so if we follow these 6 tips in the morning, so we can make our morning bright. So what does it mean of silence? Silence means we need to be silent in the morning. Why? Because whenever we be silent, so we feel clearly, we feel better in our soul, and we can be the clear, our thoughts can be clear. So what are the benefits of becoming the silent? When you be the silent in the morning, so that time you can think clearly, and you can make yourself calm, you can have the peace, and then you will start thinking in a right way, because it makes you the different personality. Because we all know that many successful people, they have said that we should be silent. Yes guys. Secondly, if we talk about affirmations, so what are the affirmations? Affirmations means to say positive thoughts to yourself. Yes guys, whenever you will say positive thoughts, you will send positivity to yourself, so you can be the positive in a whole day. Why? Because positivity brings positivity. Yes guys, so you need to make yourself positive. So you can use many types of affirmations, like I am the best person, I can do it, I am winner, today is my day, and God is always with me. Yes guys, whenever you say this type of words to yourself, so then you can be positive person. Third thing is that visualization. What is visualization? Visualization means to visualize, to see the picture, whatever you are going to do in your life, whatever you are going to become in your life. Yes guys, so when we see the picture, so we try to see ourselves that what our position will be. Yes guys, so we need to do this work, because we all have listened that first we make the picture in our mind, then it becomes our reality. Yes guys, so we need to visualize what we are going to do. Means if I have thought that if I want to become a good speaker, so what do I need to do? I need to see myself that yes, I am the good speaker, I am speaking in front of the people. Then whenever I make this type of picture in my mind, so then it can become your reality. So we need to try it again and again. We need to see our pictures daily. Why? Because it makes you, it teaches you something that yes, you can be whatever you want to be in your life. Fourth, if we talk about exercise, so we all know that if we are physically fit, then we can be mentally fit. So first, what we need to do, we need to make ourselves physically fit. Yes. So whenever we do exercise in the morning, so then we can be the physical fit. We can follow, there are many types of exercises. We can do yoga in the morning, and then we can also walk for some time, we can run for some time. So that will give you the different type of energy, that will make you energized, that will make you effective whole the day. Because when we do something in the morning, when we take an exercise, so that time it makes you physically fit, and it makes you that you can do work continuously in a whole day. Yes. And next, if we talk about reading, so if you want to know about the world, if you want to get knowledge, so you should start reading. Yes guys, whenever we read something, so we get to know about the world, we get to know about the new things, we get to know about some different new things. And whenever we will start reading, so we will have the different type of level, we can change our mentality. Such as if we read self-help books, so that time we can think more, we can make our future bright, we can change our habits, because books teaches us how to live a life. It teaches us that how can you be the better person. And next, scribing. Scribing means writing. If you want to clear your thoughts, so you should start writing, because whenever we write something, so it becomes permanent in our mind. So we need to write something daily. And here we see that and now we are thinking that how can I do this work in the morning, because I am not a morning person, I can't wake up early in the morning. So if you can't wake up, so if you wake up at 7 o'clock, so you should try to wake up at 6 o'clock. If you wake up at 6 o'clock, so you should try to wake up 5 o'clock. If you give 1 hour to yourself, so it will make you different, it will make you better person. So can't you do for yourself? Yes guys, we need to do, because whenever we will make our morning bright, we will make our morning beautiful, so our whole day will be beautiful, and then we can make our future beautiful, and we can get many things, because these 6 things will make you the different personality than other person. So if you do this, so you can become different person than other person. So thank you for listening.